And we were starting off with a step where we take a side step, then we step forward outside partner, and we want this to be a little rebound. Then back to a side, back Ocho for her, and then out to the cross. So it should be a little, like we're going to go out like we normally do when we go outside partner, but it's a little tricky because we go there and then we go, nope, we change our mind. So it's a little change of direction. As far as line of dance, it should keep, we start going in the line of dance, then we go to the side, and then back to the line of dance. So we're never moving against the line of dance. Boom, boom, boom. Then we were looking for an embellishment for the women. We're right here. The women tuck in front, and we're out. And we were talking about that this is one of the embellishments where the women are working it in themselves. So it really does not concern the leaders. And we were also talking about that it works better because this is such fast music if the embellishment is low into the ground. So it's below the knee instead of above the knee. That if you take it up that high, then it takes longer to come back around, particularly in this rhythmic, very quick music. So it should be very compact. One other thing we talked about with this step is the initial rebound. You know, oftentimes we say rock step, but a rock step would really be this, where we're sort of rocking from foot to foot. We want to think more rebound, where it's there. See, my body weight never actually gets up over my right leg. In fact, this leg goes straight and then into the ground and back out. So my body weight just gets to the middle for a nice rebound. We also talked about that when we step outside partner, particularly if we're doing this in close, then I want to send my leg without my hip. If I send my leg with my hip, see, I'm going to run into Shelley's leg. But if I send the leg without the hip, I've still got plenty of room. One other question that came up was that women saying that they might not feel like, particularly in close embrace, that they would have room for the embellishment here. But we showed that really we should have quite a bit of room in close embrace. That really, if we look at our typical open embrace, there we are. See how much room we have between our feet. Now if we go to a close embrace, nothing changed with our feet. We still have plenty of room down below. So there should be plenty of room for that embellishment. No, this really, the connection here should come from basically the sternum up, whereas some people think it's a little lower than that. And then you get into this, where the feet are like right on top of one another. And then, yeah, it might actually be hard for her to make that embellishment. So we really want to have a little bit more of an angle there.